Quick little breakfast sandwich idea. Take your crepini, drape it over your dash, put you some cheese on there. You can break one piece of cheese apart because you're going to get some leakage. Then you put your sausage patty, then you put your cheese, and a little more cheese, and then you top it with another crepini, and then you close the door. Push it down a little bit to kind of get it going. In about 2 to 3 minutes, you lift the lid, and you've got yourself a crepini sausage sandwich, sausage and cheese sandwich.